Namaste everyone, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. So today's yoga tutorial, it's an energizing yoga flow. So I'm really happy. I am so honored that you are watching this tutorial. So there are tons of yoga tutorials on YouTube channel, but I'm so happy that you are taking out time for your body, for your mind. And this particular flow, it is supposed to be done ideally in the morning, but it can be done in the evening also if you think that after your long day at work you want to energize your body a little bit. So this yoga flow can be done during that time too. All you need for today's session is just your body and your yoga mat, and let's all get started now. So in today's session we are going to begin from the dangling position. So all you have to do is you have to come onto the edge of the yoga mat and you have to bend your knees and you have to simply dangle your upper body, and let's start swinging. So we are just opening up our body in the dangling position. So continue swinging your body back and forth. So you are coming onto your heels and then onto your toes, whereas your knees are bent right now. And let's straighten up our knees and let's start swinging from left to right. So let's stay on the edge of the yoga mat because we are going to go forward after this. Keeping our knees straight, well engaged, let's continue swinging. The idea is not to touch the palms on the floor. All that matters is that you keep your knees engaged and locked. And from here itself, keeping your knees tight, keeping your knees straight, you may walk forward to come in the palm plank position. So your shoulders are right above the wrist and your body is in one straight line. Let's stay over here for a while. Body in one flat plane, tummy engaged. And let's start rocking our body back and forth. So your body is rocking on your toes right now, whereas the palms will remain intact with the floor. And you may gently bring your right foot outside the right palm. And let's not relax the back knee on the floor as of now. Just make sure that the back knee is straight. And this particular wrist, in fact both the wrists, they should be in line with the heel. And let's stay over here for a while. So in the back neck, the target area is the hamstring. In the middle body, the target area is the pelvic region. And in the front side, the target area is your thigh. Let's stay over here for a while. Long, deep breaths, no short breaths during the sessions. And let's start making circles. So clockwise direction. So you will start feeling the stretch around the pelvic region. So you are using your back toes for the circles. And you may gently relax your back knee on the floor, and let's stay over here for a while. Let's keep our gaze in front, everyone. So continue pushing your pelvic region towards the floor. And in this position itself, let's turn around and let's grab our left ankle from behind. I'm already sweating. So let's hold on to our left ankle from behind. If you can touch the left heel against the left hip, excellent. If not, you can simply keep the knee bent and just hold on to the foot from behind. If possible, try to keep your gaze towards the left big toe, which is being held by your right palm. So right now we are engaging our upper body along with the neck. And you may gently release your left ankle. Tuck in your back toes to take your right leg back into the mountain. Let's keep pushing our spine in, especially the middle and the lower back. Heels rested on the floor. And you may gently bring the left foot outside the left palm. Let's not relax the back knee on the floor as of now. So it will help you strengthen your arms also. Plus, it's going to strengthen your legs. And plus, there is pelvic mobility and hamstring stretch also involved. And let's start making circles. So on the left leg, you are making anti-clockwise circles. So you can adjust your back foot as per your convenience so that you can make little bigger circles. And let's relax the back knee on the floor. Let's take a long deep breath in this position itself. And you may exhale. Just feel the stretch around your pelvic region. Since your back knee is resting on the floor. And you may gently turn around to grab your left ankle or the left foot from behind. Let's keep our gaze towards the right big toe, which is being held by our left palm. And you may release your right ankle from behind. Place your left palm on the floor. Tuck in your back toes and take your left leg back into the high plank or the palm plank. You can adjust your body as per your convenience. And in this position itself, you may rest your right foot over the left foot. So you are resting your right toes over the left heel. And let's stay over here for a while. And let's start going back and forth in the same position. As you start going back and forth, You will start feeling the tendon on which your right foot is placed. That's your Achilles tendon, by the way. So continue rocking your body. And you may gently switch. So the left foot comes over the right Achilles tendon. And you may start rocking your body back and forth. So with a big smile on your face, you are simply rocking. And let's come back to the center. Knees will come on the floor and you may stretch your arms in front in the child's pose. So if you want to rest your forehead on the floor, excellent. If you want to rest your forehead on a cushion, even that is completely okay. Or if you don't want to even stretch your arms in front, you can even fold your arms and you can rest your forehead on your forearms also. So all that matters is that you feel comfortable in every position that you are doing and you are staying still instead of struggling. So let's do the pose as per our convenience. And taking the support of the palms, let's lift our upper body up to come back to Vajrasana. If you think that Vajrasana is difficult, then you can even sit in Sukhasana, and if you want to take a wall support, even that is completely okay. So like I said, all that matters is your stillness in every asana. You can definitely make use of a cushion also under your ankles or under your hips. So whatever is convenient for you. Let's close our eyes just for a while. A beautiful gentle smile on your face. Keeping our eyes closed, let's all take a normal long deep breath in. And you may exhale completely. It is another day in this beautiful body that we have got in this lifetime. If you are taking out time for your body and mind, if you are coming onto your mat, it shows the level of commitment towards your life. It shows how much you honor this body. Let's take a normal long deep breath in. And you may exhale effortlessly. And slowly and gradually, taking your awareness towards your surroundings and towards your body and the breath. You may all gradually open your eyes. So this was a flow which you can definitely do if you want to energize your body, if you want to make your body moving early in the morning or maybe towards the end of the day, whatever is convenient for you. I'm really thankful, I'm really grateful that you are practicing with us on our YouTube channel. It means a lot for us. And if you have any queries, any comments, you can definitely drop your comments in the comment section below. And if you have any question of any sort, we are super quick in answering to all the queries. Please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we are going to see you all in the next tutorial, everyone. Namaste.